Oi! I unboxed it like 1 month ago, I even clipped it. No shot, how the fuck are you gonna go unbox a Stat Track Butterfly Ruby? Terrassel, I added you. Please check the profile, make sure that I'm level 240 and that I have hella skins. Dude, no shot. The guy who unboxed this Stat Track Ruby Butterfly, he said, yeah, funny story, it was like my second case in a match on Overpass. I clipped that shit and uploaded it to YouTube. Yeah. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you ready to look at this? Samz, are you ready?
Yeah, let's see.
Was ist eine gute Kiste? Spektrum 2?
Oh, he said, what's a good case? And then he just like, yeah, Spectrum 2. And then he... No way. No. He's literally asking what's a good case.
Nein, wir müssen nicht gewinnen. Ich muss mal eine Kiste aufmachen. Hier, Fotzen. Ich hab Knife gezogen! Ich hab... Nein! 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 Nein, ich hab wirklich Knife gezogen!
He's like, knife, and then...
Ich hab Knife gezogen! Ich hab wirklich Knife gezogen!
Digga, das ist 2K.
Halt's Maul! Halt's Maul!
2K, Digga.
Halt's Maul!
He just says, shut up. No way. What the fuck?
Stat track as well.
Yeah. Stat Track Butterfly Ruby.